Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the untold story of Devrim, Turkey's first car and a true symbol of national pride and innovation. Back in 1961, President Cemal Gürsel had a bold vision to create a car entirely designed and produced by Turkish engineers. He tasked 24 brilliant engineers to bring this dream to life at the Eskişehir railway factory. The result, Devrim, which means revolution in Turkish. 4 prototypes were built in just 130 days, showcasing an incredible feat of engineering and dedication. On October 29, 1961, for the Republic Day celebrations, these masterpieces were unveiled. 1 black and 3 cream-colored cars, each crafted to perfection. The urgency was so real that the black car's paint was polished on the train ride to Ankara. During the ceremony, President Gürsel took the black Devrim for a ceremonial ride, but after 100 meters the car halted due to a lack of fuel. A minor yet unforgettable hiccup. Undeterred, President Gürsel switched to the cream-colored Devrim and completed the ceremony. Despite this success, Devrim never entered mass production. Today, only 1 prototype remains, preserved at the Automotive factory. In 2018, this last Devrim was meticulously restored, ensuring its legacy endures for future generations. Devrim's story even inspired a 2008 film, Devrim Arabaları, celebrating the engineers' relentless hard work. Its influence reached as far as Pakistan, where students created a hybrid car named Devrim II. Devrim's journey is a testament to Turkey's quest for industrial independence. It stands as a powerful reminder of the nation's potential to innovate and create against all odds. So, next time you think about the automotive industry, remember the pioneering spirit of Devrim, a true revolution in Turkey's history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring stories.